Hey everybody, it's Seamus Plays, and welcome back to another how-to video. This time, I'm going to show you how to customize your channel and upload videos. So, excuse me. So, I'm going to use Google Chrome. So, I'm going to teach you, I'm just going to upload my kindergarten video, like I did earlier. I guess in this video, I'll teach you how to make thumbnails too. Yeah, that'd be good. Alright, so you click that arrow with a line under it. Loading. Yeah, I have some McDonald's Wi-Fi. So you click select files to upload. I'm just gonna do the kindergarten video, because why not? So, as you can see, it already has my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram links down below. I'll teach you how to do that in a second, but first, I'm gonna type in dumped. Yeah, that's the title. Shut up. Perfect. So I'm going to click scheduled for February 13th, I think? Hold on. Yeah, February 13th. So that's what I'm personally going to do. You can do whatever you want, but so you could also change it to public, where it's uploaded instantly to where everybody can see it. Unlisted, which if you share it to somebody, only they could see it, or if you leave it in like the link in the description, only those people can see it, but you can't find it on like the regular channel. Then private, where no one can see it but you at all. But I'm doing scheduled. So what you want to do is add a good description too. So we start our first day of kindergarten and dump blood on a girl's head who just lost her brother. Aren't we great people? Oh, yes, we are. So, you also want to add tags, so like, kindergarten part 1. Kindergarten episode 1. Just stuff like that. Kindergarten game. Kindergarten Cindy. Yeah, just stuff like that. So I'm going to be filling this in for a while. Okay, this is just a bit that I've got, but I'm going to add more later. So you just want to click over here. I'm sure it'll be fine. Then add to playlist. I'm going to make a new playlist. Kindergarten. Yes, perfect. It already popped up. Create, and it's automatically added onto there. You can add it to as many things as you want, but I'm just gonna add it to kindergarten. So yeah, now time to teach you how to make a thumbnail. I'll teach you how to automatically set the description and stuff later. Oh wait, first translations, select language. Yeah, it's just English. In advanced settings, gaming. You always have to type this in because it's awesome. So kindergarten. This one. I think. Hopefully? Enable age restriction because... Nah, I'm just kidding. You can if you want, if there's like a really bad video. I might do that if I'm thinking about doing like a let's play in the future of GTA. I don't know, something like that. You can do whatever you want though. You can make like an Elmo video, make it age restricted. So what I use to edit my photos is PicMonkey. Sadly, this isn't free anymore, but you can just take a screenshot of it and it always works. I'm gonna use the thing I'm recording with to take a screenshot, by the way. So let's open. I'm gonna do my ending screen. Okay, so you can click resize. I'm gonna change it to 1920 by 1080. If it freaking works. 1920. Back in 1920, okay, you usually want to do it by 1080, but 1076 is only 4 pixels off, so it really does not matter. Alright, so... hold on just a sec. So... oh, what? I don't know why this is here. You want to look up Lily Kindergarten PNG. So yeah, you can look up PNG, but I don't think anything pops up for Lily, just some very strange fan art. What is this? Instead of scrolling through very creepy fan art, I'm just gonna go through this. Perfect. That's better than anything I've seen. Never again. Never again. What I'm sure will pop up, though, is kindergarten logo PNG. Hopefully. What the freak? It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it going through the fan art. Okay, so to add this text, you click... why does it keep doing this? You click press star or Antonio Ariba, whatever font you want to use, and then add text. So you click it and type it in. You can change the color over here. And then you can make it bigger, smaller, stuff like that. So now I'm gonna do this. Dumped blood on her head. And then I'm gonna make it red. Perfect. Alright, so I also have my picture in the corner every time, so I'll be right back so I can make the picture bigger, because lately it's been getting blurry, so I'll be right back. By the way, I will probably show you how to make, like, your own picture, or your, like, profile photo, how to make it and stuff, maybe later. Never mind, it'll only make it blurrier, so I'll try to fix it later. So, add your own. My computer. I mean, it's not too bad right now. See? It's not that bad. Alright, perfect. So I'm gonna zoom it in. This might look weird for a second, by the way. And bam. Okay, so I took the screenshot. Now let's go back and click custom thumbnail. Bam, let's see how this works. That looks good. Perfect. Alright, so now leave. I'm gonna teach you how to make, or how to customize your channel. Ooh, that was close. Alright, so I'm gonna teach you how to customize your channel and then make, like, the description thing and stuff first. So I'm gonna do that first, the description. So you click customize channel. And then you go to video manager. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how to make the stuff and the stuff first, right? So you want to go to channel. Click upload defaults. So category is going to be always gaming. It's always going to be public. You can't change it to scheduled, sadly, which kind of makes sense. So you can choose the title, so it's always going to be called this. Which what? So yeah, description, Twitter, I have my links and stuff, so yeah. Perfect. Tags. Gaming. Perfect. What the heck? Oh yeah, you have to also save. Monetize with ads. Skippable video, that's not all I do. Automatic and mid-roll ads, no. Anyway, yeah. So that's how you change the description and stuff. So now what I'm going to show you is featured, crap, clicked it wrong thing. Oh yeah, you could also make an advert for your channel. So you can be like, hey there guys, my name is Poopy Klook. Subscribe to my channel. And it will come up on other people's videos as ads. But I don't personally do that. I might one day. So here's a watermark. So a watermark. So hold on. Remove. I'm just gonna redo it again. Remove. So you click add a watermark. And I'm going to use my CMOS PNG photo. Which is right here. Save. So that's like in the corner of the video. And it has that little face or whatever. And you hover over it and it says subscribe. So you could do that. And that goes on every video. So my face is in the corner. entire video update. So yeah. Now I'm gonna teach you how to actually like edit your channel layout and stuff. So you can't do really anything while it's privated, but once it gets uploaded, you can do whatever you want. So you click customize channel. So I want to teach you something first. So you have to go here. Customize the layout of your channel. Make sure that's blue. That's to the right in blue. Show discussion tab. Yeah. Save. Okay. So once you do that, you can also make a channel trailer, which I'm going to do in the future. You click add section. So this is my upload section right here. I'm going to click single playlist, and it's going to be, let's say, Friv Games. Done. And then that will show up. And then select content. I'm going to do popular uploads. Done. Okay. And then select content. Save or multiple playlists. Except I'm going to make this vertical, so it goes down like that. Hold on. I'm just going to change it to popular uploads. So you can click it to vertical list. So it goes down like that. That's why I have my uploads on, but I'm going to have everything else horizontal. And yeah, so it just like, so you know how on channels, like popular uploads, all playlists, singular playlist, yeah. That's how it is. That's how I'm going to make it at least. So it's going to be perfect. My playlist, find playlist. Kindergarten. Done. So yeah. And then it will pop up kind of like this. I'm just using popular MMOs as an example. So right here, it's like what you missed. This is automatically set. So he puts Minecraft minigames at the top, and then uploads in this row, Minecraft mods versus maps. Yeah, this is all his playlist that he picked out. So you can do whatever you want. This is what he did, and then that's what I'm personally doing. So yeah, I think that's a good stopping point. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching.